Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the alert at a maximum drift on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second section, the My Boat. Scroll down and in the Anchor Watch section you can find the second option, the alert at maximum drift. And click that and just drag it the circle to the number that suits you. And if you don't, just click to the OK. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.